Hello guys, in this video we are gonna unbox the Oneplus Nord CE5 Holy Flame magnetic case. It came free with the Oneplus Nord CE5 phone. It came free with the Oneplus Nord CE5 phone. I didn't pay anything for it. They sell it for 500 rupees. The case is very sturdy, it's hard and it feels costly. I mean, it's very good quality case. It has magnetic ring behind it. As you can see, it has a magnetic ring behind it. It is used for attaching different accessories with it. It is very good quality and sturdy case, and it is looking all very good as well.